Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to use app cloner in your Realme smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first you have to open your this security application, then you have to just click on it and you will see here it is the more feature in the tools. Let's click on this and now you have to click on this. You can see there are lots of things are here, or if it is not there you can just click on this settings, and here you have to, in the settings you have to write app cloner, and you can see app cloner. Now you can just clone your application like Instagram. I am doing the clone version of it, so it is added to the home screen. And now you can see there are two Instagrams are showing. You can see Instagram one, and this is the clone version of it, and you can run second account on it. And if you just turn it off, and it will delete everything on the second Instagram. You can see it is uninstalled successfully. It is showing only one Instagram now. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.